Hey guys, we are in Clay County, Iowa on this beautiful snowy day, and we are extremely excited to be bringing this custom-built, extremely secluded, 3-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom home to market here in Sioux Rapids, Iowa. Nestled in the serene countryside of Clay County, Iowa, this expansive 3,500 square foot home offers the perfect blend of modern comfort and rural charm. Step inside this 3-bedroom, 2.5-bathroom home with an inviting open floor plan that effortlessly connects the living room, dining, and kitchen areas, making it perfect for entertaining family or guests. The main level features a luxurious master suite complete with a huge walk-in closet and spa-like feel, offering dual vanities and a walk-in shower. There are 2 additional well-sized bedrooms, each with ample closet space. Downstairs, the fully finished basement provides even more living space, ideal for a home theater, game room, or additional guest quarters. The oversized heated garage is a true standout. With ample room for vehicles, tools, or additional storage, it offers a perfect space for hobbies, outdoor gear, or even a home workshop. Outside, the property truly shines. A large deck spans the back of the home, perfect for grilling and relaxing. Set on 77 acres of rolling terrain, the property offers endless possibilities for the rural lifestyle, homesteading, or hunting. There is an additional 2-bedroom, 1-bathroom home situated on the farm that could be used as a mother-in-law suite or guest house. 2 grain bins and an additional 32 by 178 steel building are included with the sale. Whether you're looking to enjoy the space, create your dream homestead, or simply relax in a tranquil setting, this property is ready to welcome you. Don't miss your chance to own this exceptional home and expansive acreage. Schedule your private showing today. My name is Danny Fain, and I'm proudly representing Land Guys here in Iowa.